napanood ko si Cap Ninyo, si Cap Ninyo kanina. Hinangaan ko yung sinabi ni Cap Ninyo.
Sabi niya?
Sabi ni Cap Ninyo ay sabi niya, may panawagan siya sa mga vloggers sa mga political vloggers. Sabi niya, tirahin nyo si Marcoleta pero wag sanang idamay ang INC. Dahil ginamit lang ni Marcoleta ang INC. Yun ang sinabi niya, yun ang sinabi ni Cap Ninyo. And yun din naman ang sinabi ko kanina, doon sa mga nakapanood sa live ko kanina. Diba? Yun na rin ang pakiusap ko, sabi ko, sa channel ko, it will be the first and the last na pag-uusapan yung tungkol sa yung pagsasabay ni politics sa religion. Hindi na maririnig sa channel ko yung usapin tungkol sa religion.
With all due respect to you naman, Sir Alha, there is no way na si Marcoleta could have done that without clearance from. You think he would have done that without clearing it with with the higher ups? There's no way. Alam nyo, he has a political career.
Ganito, Cart. Mag-open ka
Teka, sandali. Let me finish, ha. First of all, kasi merong nagsasabi, and this is something that I have observed like all throughout the day, even if Marcoleta had not even made a speech, all throughout the day, yung Net25 was making commentary about the failures of the current administration. So clearly, meron ng narrative throughout the day about how this current administration is such a failure. Parang there was a build-up na. May build-up nga na itong gobyernong ito ay napaka-palpak. And so, towards the end, of course, Marcoleta speaks. Hi, Sir Vinira, thank you naman. And so, it was not a surprise. I think it was heartbreaking for people the people who wanted to give INC a chance na, okay, maybe it's not going to be, it was going to be apolitical, walang kulay ito. So when finally nagsalita si Marcoleta, talagang, we were right to have our doubts. And so, tapusin ko lang yung thought ko, and I know you're going to say something, no? Pero, there is no way in hell na Marcoleta did that without clearing it with the higher ups because he has a political career. And if he were to cross the Manalos, you think hindi niya inisip yun? Iinisin ko ang mga Manalo. And then, what happens to his political career after that? He would be dead politically after that. Hindi ba? Ano na ang mangyayari sa kanya? Di ba? Gagawin niya something like that without clearing it with the Manalos? Tapos, wala na siya after that? I don't think so. He might be an asshole, but he's not stupid. I'm pretty sure he had clearance from somebody that was high up enough to tell him it's okay for you to do that. And even Net25, who keeps saying the views and opinions of the host of this show has nothing to do with management. Bullshit. I'm sorry, today I am going to use some language that I have not used before. That's bullshit. INC, you have been using words that have tried to hide the real reason behind all this. You know, this is truly a pro-Duterte activity. Huwag nyo kaming linlangin. All due respect to the members na nagamit, INC leadership, call a spade a spade. This was for Sara Duterte. And I'm sorry to the members who think I'm being unduly unfair to your leadership. But that is how I feel. That is my opinion. And I am sorry if you think I am wrong. Hello, Maestro Paul. Thank you sa